We may have different focuses when it comes to the functionality, layout, configuration, materials, decoration, and lighting of our bathrooms, but there's one thing everyone can agree on: the importance of hygiene. And in the bathroom, there's a small detail that is often overlooked, yet is a key point for cleanliness: the toilet seat. This is a place we interact with intimately every day, and could be a hotbed for bacterial growth. If you think cleaning the toilet seat is just an occasional task, you might need to rethink that. If you miss this video, you may end up having to perform deep cleaning on it daily, which is undoubtedly a time-consuming and labor-intensive job. However, today I'm going to tell you about a method that can free you from this daily chore. Are you curious? This method isn't magic, but a technological marvel. Let's address a common phenomenon. In family bathrooms, traditional toilet seats often become a hidden corner where bacteria thrive. Why is that? First, due to concerns about hygiene, many men may choose not to lift the seat when urinating, or they might be too lazy to do so, which can easily lead to urine splashing onto the seat, providing an ideal environment for bacteria to survive. Additionally, children at home, especially little boys, may not have fully mastered proper personal hygiene habits. Their improper use could further exacerbate the dirt and bacterial accumulation on the seat. Urine residue is not only hard to detect, but also a breeding ground for bacteria, increasing the risk of cross-infection. Even if children lift the seat before urinating, if they do not wash their hands promptly, this could directly affect their health. For women, keeping the toilet seat clean is a daily household challenge. They may need to frequently clean the toilet seat, and even check it before each use to ensure it's clean. This is not only time-consuming and laborious, but also adds extra burden to housewives. In this context, we can't help but ask, is there a smarter, more hygienic solution? The answer is yes: the self-lifting toilet seat. The self-lifting toilet seat brings a revolution to family hygiene. Its unique mechanical design allows the seat to automatically lift after each use, without relying on power or sensors, and without manual intervention. This design is suitable for any bathroom environment and works perfectly even in the absence of power sockets, ensuring safe use and eliminating the risk of electric shock. For men, this toilet seat completely solves the problem of urine splashing onto the seat, reducing the possibility of bacterial growth, effectively lowering the risk of cross-infection, and avoiding contact with the dirty underside of the seat, making hygiene maintenance simpler. For young boys at home, the self-lifting toilet seat not only helps them avoid urine splashing, but also keeps their hands clean by not touching the dirty underside of the seat, reducing bacterial spread and protecting their healthy growth. For female users, the automatic lifting function of this toilet seat greatly reduces the burden of daily cleaning, eliminating the need to frequently check and wipe the seat, allowing them to sit on the toilet with ease and enjoy a cleaner and more hygienic environment. In summary, with its innovative design and the convenience of not requiring power, the self-lifting toilet seat has become an ideal choice for modern bathrooms, providing a healthier and more sanitary bathroom experience for all members.